Wow, it's been a good day today.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe a little humid, but it's not too bad.
No, there's hardly any wind.
No.
That's a beautiful thing.
Yeah. But we've been here about, 2.5, 3 years.
It's been about 3 years since we purchased the property, yeah.
And look at this, we're just getting almost about 3/4 done. Maybe a little less than 3/4. Just doing the inside and then the siding, maybe about 60%.
Go with 2/3.
No, 2/3,
Yeah.
5/7/8.
I don't know those numbers.
Oh man, look at that. Yeah, all this time in here and just reminiscing what we're gonna do and when we're gonna get it done, but this is it.
Mm-hmm.
We were checking on things to try to find a spot for our final time and here we are.
We're still here.
Is it
So
with
is our
me?
stuff.
Here we are.
Here we are!
Here we are. So what are some of the things that you, I guess, either regret or some of the things that, misconceptions that you had?
Well, obviously I didn't think we would take this long to have our house rebuilt.
We were told to perhaps forget about time and money
Yeah, well,
because it will take at least double, but
Yeah.
it's taking more than double.
Only more than double, that's for sure.
But you know, one of the things that we didn't count on is that we were expecting a lot of help and that definitely misconceptions.
Yes.
We can talk about misconceptions.
Yes. Yes.
You know, it's always thinking that you got the plans for it and sometimes plans don't come true the way you want to.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's very true. That's very true.
You know, never thought we were gonna use all of our money and then that we were not gonna have the help to finish.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
But yet, you know, our God has been
He's
faithful,
been good.
and we can count on Him to help us to finish this thing. Know that money is gonna start flying from that tree, which is gonna catch it.
It would be nice, but no.
You know, I heard the other day somebody, I think I was with somebody on YouTube, and they were saying, this woman was saying, I pray to God to make me a millionaire and whatever. I don't know what happened, but I don't think it works that way. God expects us to do the hard labor, you know, to do our part.
Yes, we do. We
And,
have work to do.
Yeah. So what do you think have been some of your misconceptions besides time and money?
I guess I hadn't. I mean, we've owned a house before. I've owned, we've owned houses, but just with this being a different kind of land, which I don't know how to say this, but I mean, it had been vacant for a while, so there's a lot of overgrowth.
At least in 1997,
Yeah.
when they demolished the house, but before that even.
Yeah, it had just kind of fallen into ruin, and so we just weren't, I guess, prepared for all the, just the upkeep out here. And then, one of the things I think too is, I mean, I'm not a great gardener, and I'm not, don't know a lot about, but I'm learning. But is like, I'd love to get it all landscaped and everything. Well, yeah, I want to get it landscaped, but we need our house first to
Yeah.
be done. So,
Yeah.
it bothers me that it looks the way it does right now. But, tomorrow, Lord willing, I'll be able to mow. So that will help.
Yeah. Well, I think that my misconceptions already been fulfilled. I didn't think it was going to cost us this much money, and didn't think it was going to be this long of a time. And since a prophet told us,
Yeah.
since a prophet told us that double it all,
Triple.
now we're here, yeah, triple, but it's been more than triple. And again, my expectations that we were going to have a lot of help, and I don't know. But now we know this year we are hoping that things will be different and we can finish this. But we're going to get, hopefully, with the help of God, we can accomplish it, get it done, and don't know how long it's going to take us. We still have to do some of the siding and gutters, at least for the outside, to keep the house in tight. Yes, and then finishing the inside. A good portion is done, but in time we're gonna build this garden, and that's gonna be a good thing to do that.
Yeah.
I think that now we are doing our gardening over there. You're gonna try it.
Yes. Gonna try to make that go a little bigger. And
What is it? What is some of the things that you have been doing so far?
you mean like what I've planted so far?
Yes.
Well, we planted potatoes, and I had some chamomile come back from last year. I've done some radishes, 2 kinds of spinach. You planted a few onions, and we have a little blueberry bush. It probably won't produce yet this year, but and then I have some more stuff I'm hoping to get in the ground tomorrow. So
Yeah. Well, this has been great. I think that now we're probably gonna be uploading some of the videos to show our friends and family what we've been doing, and perhaps they will enjoy it. Maybe we can learn from somebody, and we are the sage again. So we're here now. What, right?
exactly. Yes.
Yeah. So we are hoping that we're going to be showing some of our videos to you, and hopefully we get some comments and perhaps some help in how we can accomplish this. How can we finish this our house? How can we finish this house soon? That's the question. How can we finish it soon? And so if you don't mind, send us some comments and help us out by sharing, and just also try to get us to send us those comments, and just follow us in our channel. So we're here now. What? And so we'll be loading up and putting more. Don't forget to check some of the funny shorts that I have put on, and at the same time we try to have some fun, and so we will put more and load more, as many as possible. We are hoping that in time we can just soon enough we can get it all finished.
Yes.
And in the meantime, again, expect for us to be uploading from the beginning of the coming back home, and how things have been developing since we got here. The development has been tremendous after 2.5 years, 3, and we're getting closer. But how can we finish this house? That's going to be the question. So sign up with us. give us some comments and subscribe. We need some subscribers. Hopefully, as you watch us, you can, by subscribing, you can give us your comments, and we can learn from you. We need a lot of help.
Yeah.
That's the truth. We need a lot of help. And I know there are many of you out there that did this, that wanted to DIY. And I tell you, it's not all truth what they tell you. There's a lot of misconceptions about DIY. And if you can avoid it, get a job, get 2 jobs, get the children and the babies to go to work, because it takes a lot of money and there's a lot of misconceptions. And DIY is not that easy, from having no tools to buying tools to learn how to use them. And we will be showing you some of the mistakes that we made from these misconceptions. And everything costs money. So not because you go to YouTube and get a video to teach you how to do it, it sounds so simple, it seems so simple. And then when you get to the truth of the matter, it takes a long time. Mm-hmm. And when you don't know how to use the tools, or you don't have the experience, it takes a long time. But so we've learned a lot. Hopefully, all what we have done, it helped somebody else. So we're going to be showing you a lot of our mistakes, a lot of the mistakes that we made, and perhaps you can refine, ask somebody else that might know better, get some input from somebody. Mm-hmm. And so we're going to be being vulnerable, exposing a lot of our mistakes, a lot of our misconceptions, and a lot of the lies that we believed. And so hopefully you don't make the same mistakes that we made. So follow us, subscribe, make comments, share, and get your notifications so that we can send you can receive the next video. So into the next one, again, hopefully you begin to follow us, and we are going to put from the beginning how we got here, and little by little bringing it up to date. So until the next time, until pretty soon, coming up the beginning of our journey and coming back home here. And we will see you again next time. God bless you. Talk to you again. Ciao.